Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Fabfitfun video for fall, and I'm excited to jump into it. I'm doing this video like I did it last month, where I did test out a few of the products before I'm sitting down to film. I feel like that's a little bit more helpful. That way I can share my thoughts on the products and maybe some tips and tricks if I've been using them for a few days. So I have tested out some of the products in the box, and the fall boxes are typically my favorite, so I can't wait to jump in and show you guys what I got. Today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. I love partnering with them to share their seasonal subscription box because it is truly one of my favorite things. It comes 4 times a year, and it is a box filled with full-size products. They cover a variety of categories, so you can get beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products, and just a bunch of fun things. So the retail value of this box is always over $200, but you can actually get your first box for $10 off, so it'll be $39.99 if you use the code Andrea. So if you guys want to try it out, I'll put a link in the description box below. They do ship to the US, the UK, and Canada, and I was kind of reading about some changes they made. They're actually switching their packaging to be a little bit more sustainable. So this is a 100% recycled craft box, as well as the paper is like recycled paper, which I thought was really cool. And I'll show you guys what I got in my box. It is customizable, so you guys might receive different products, and it was kind of hard to choose this season because there were so many good options. So I kind of went back and forth on a few, but I'll show you guys what I ended up picking out. A few of the products are a surprise, but let's jump into it. So the first thing that I actually chose for my box is something that I feel like is going to be perfect for the fall season. So this is what they call a scarfigan, which I think is perfect. It can be worn as a scarf or a cardigan. I'll actually insert a little clip of me wearing this so you guys can see what it looks like on, but it's a really pretty color. It's like this off-white, and then it's also mixed with a little bit of like a cooler toned pink, and it also has fringe, which I love. It's really, really warm, and I love the fact that you can wear this different ways. So if you're not into kind of like the shawl cardigan look, you can just wear it as a regular scarf, which I think comes in handy too. This is by the brand Soya and Kio, and the quality feels so nice, so I can't wait to actually use it. The next thing is something that I also chose. I love glass water bottles. Those are some of my favorites. A lot of the glass water bottles that I have are very big. I have a couple of 32-ounce bottles, and those can be tough to bring with me because they don't fit in a cup holder. They're usually a little bit too big for my purse. So when I saw this, I thought that this was perfect. This is by the brand Mason Tops. It is the Mason Jar Hydration Kit. So essentially it comes with a glass bottle. I think that this bottle is 20 ounces. And then there is a lid that goes on top, and it also comes with an insulating sleeve. I'm actually using mine right now for iced coffee. I did put a glass straw in it, but it's nice because the lid does close all the way. And I love the fact that it has a sleeve because typically I'll drink iced coffee out of just a regular glass, and the condensation makes like a puddle if I have it on my desk, on my vanity, wherever I'm doing my makeup. So this sleeve definitely comes in handy. It's not something that I ever felt like I needed, but now that I have it, I am going to be using this all the time. It does keep my coffee colder a little bit longer as well. I like that it is removable in case you just want to have the bottle by itself, but I think that this is the perfect size. I thought this hair clip trio was the cutest thing. This is by the brand 8 Other Reasons, and it came with 3 different hair clips. So I have one in my hair today. It comes with a pink one, a little bit more of like a pearl white one, and then a silvery gray one. If you guys watch my videos, you might know that I love to wear clips like this. I like to wear my hair down, but sometimes I can't stand having it in my face. So I like to have it down, but I like to have it clipped out of the way. And I just think that these are such a fun, trendy hair accessory. There are so many options to choose from, but these are cute. And what's nice about these is that they don't slip out of the hair. They kind of have like these little claws alongside. I'll do a close-up for you. And that is so important when you use these clips because sometimes they can slip right out, and these stay put. I did get a shower gel in my box. This is by the brand Beauty Paper. It's the Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. And what I love about this is that it almost has a little bit of a butterscotch scent to it. It's so warm and cozy. It definitely reminds me of fall. It says that it has pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera in it. So this smells good, but it also leaves my skin just feeling really soft. It's not a super lathery shower gel, so I just feel like it kind of glides on the skin, washes off very easily, and it's not overpowering. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, I don't think it's going to bother you. Oh, now I can kind of smell the orange. It definitely has like a warm orangey vanilla butterscotch scent to it. It smells really good, and it's kind of a nice scent for fall because it's not your typical like pumpkin or sugary vanilla, but it kind of has a hint of citrus. So I am enjoying this. I think that it's a nice addition to include in the box. The next thing in here is from the brand Hype. This is their Tranquility Sleep Mist. I've always wanted like a sleep mist or a pillow spray because whenever I watch nighttime routines or like get unready with me videos, everyone seems to have like some sort of pillow spray or some sort of like soothing spray that they spray on their bed to help them relax at night. I used this last night for the first time, and I have to say it does smell good. I have to keep putting it to the test. It definitely has like a slight lavender scent to it. It's very calming, really soothing. It kind of smells like a spa, or like what you would expect a spa to smell like. Of course, I had to choose the jewelry option. This is a really beautiful necklace. Pretty much all of the necklaces that I wear in my YouTube videos are from Fabfitfun. This is by the brand Jenny Bird, and this is their Liana pendant. So this is a really beautiful silver necklace. I actually don't have any silver necklaces. Everything that I own is gold because I do typically prefer gold jewelry, but there are occasions where I feel like I just want silver. So this is the style of necklace that I love. I love necklaces that have a little bit of a shorter chain and then have a little bit of a longer chain that hangs down. I think that they look so beautiful, especially if you're wearing like any sort of shirt that kind of comes to a V. So I am excited about this. Again, I truly love the jewelry items that they offer. Whenever I get one, it just makes the whole box for me because I have no idea how to pick out jewelry for myself. And the pieces are really, really high quality. I've had some of my necklaces from Fabfitfun for years. Okay, so they actually had two different bags that were really beautiful, and I couldn't decide between the one that I went with or more of like a backpack style. I always tell myself that I want more of a backpack style, but whenever I have a bag like that, I rarely reach for it. I'm more of like a large tote kind of fan because you can throw so much inside. So I chose this one. This is by the brand Becca, and it's a really large bag. There are so many things that I love about this. First of all, it's like a nylon material, so it's going to be perfect for kind of anything on the go, travel, because you can just wipe it down and keep it very, very clean. You can fit a ton of things in here, and I feel like these always come in handy. Like, look how large this gets. There are pockets in there. There are zippers. There are also like really cute decorative zippers on the sides. This has like a vegan leather trim around the edges, which is really nice, and I just think it's very, very practical. I don't buy bags super often these days because I kind of have like my go-to styles, and I haven't really needed to purchase one, but I do feel like I'm missing a super large, lightweight tote that I can throw in my luggage that, you know, when I travel and I feel like I might need to pull it out and put things in, especially for the way back if I'm going somewhere. I just felt like I needed something like that. So that really caught my eye when I saw that they were offering it. So I decided to grab that one. It's practical, it's cute, and I love that they offered it. The last thing is by the brand The Laundress. This is their crease release. So this is supposed to remove wrinkles, and this would be perfect, again, if we were traveling, because it says, in a world of overpacked schedules, ironing isn't always an option. So this is a quick fix to remove wrinkles. My husband actually loves to iron. He's really, really good at it. So whenever I do need something to be ironed, he is always willing to do it, which is so nice because I'm so bad at ironing. I feel like a lot of shirts are so thin, and I'm always scared that I'm going to burn a hole in them or I miss a spot. So a product like this would actually come in handy for me. And I do feel like this would be really convenient if you were going out of town because you could throw this in your bag, hang something up, and spray it all over. It is cruelty-free, no animal byproducts, non-toxic, biodegradable, and allergen-free. So I will hang on to this and test it out. A little bit random, but I do feel like it's one of those products that you wouldn't think that you would enjoy, but once you have it, it'll become a necessity. So that is everything I got inside my Fabfitfun box. I love this box. I love the scarf again. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of that. The bag is going to come in handy for sure. I also love the silver pendant and the hair clips, and then there were some other fun products to try as well. If you guys are interested in trying out Fabfitfun, I'm going to put their website in the description box below along with my code Andrea, and if you use that code, you can get $10 off your first box and get it for $39.99. The boxes do sell out pretty quickly, so if you're interested in the fall box, I would jump on it. If not, they usually have an editor's box, which combines a bunch of like their best-selling products from previous boxes. So I'll put more information in the description box below, but thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys get in your boxes. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.